In this video, we demonstrate how to set up levels for a multi-storey building. Once you've created your ground floor level, you can copy it to create additional stories if the external walls are being built to the same specification. Levels are important because they tell BuildingWorks where each story begins and ends. They stack the different stories of your design to create the 3D model and elevations. To create an attic level, take a look at the videos on drawing attics for further help and advice. I've already drawn the ground floor and first floor of my design. The external walls have a different specification. The ground floor walls are stone clad, while the first floor walls are rendered cavity block walls. If you take a look at the 3D model, because no levels are set up, you'll see that BuildingWorks has placed the floors side by side. To link the stories together, we need to create some levels. Start by setting up the ground floor level. Go to the Views and 3D tab and click the Level button. The Level dialog box appears. This is where you label and set the height of the levels. First enter a name for the level. Then consider the base height. The base height for the ground floor is the ground level, so should be set to 0. The level height should be equal to the height of the ground floor walls, in this case 2,625 mm. The level number for the ground floor should be set to 1, as it's the first story of the building. The first floor will be level 2, and so on. Once you've typed in all of the level information, click OK. Now follow the on-screen instructions to define the ground floor level. The first instruction tells you to click to place the point of reference. The point of reference should be in the same position on each level. The point of reference is used to stack the levels on top of each other to create elevations and 3D views. I usually select the bottom left-hand corner of the layout. The next instruction tells you to click to select the first point of the box to define the level. You're now setting the boundaries of the ground floor level. This means drawing a box which encompasses everything in the ground floor layout. Place your cursor above and to the left of the ground floor layout. Give yourself plenty of space, don't draw the box too close to the walls. Click to place the first point of the box. The next instruction tells you to click to select the second point of the box to define the level. Move your cursor down and to the right of the ground floor layout. Ensure the entire ground floor layout is enclosed by the box, again leaving some space around the walls. Click to finish placing the level box. The level will now appear as a pink box. If the specification of your ground floor and first floor external walls is the same, you can copy the ground floor to create your first floor. To do this, take a look at the video called How to Copy Your Plans to Create an Additional Story. As I've drawn my floors separately, I now need to create the first floor level. Go to the Views and 3D tab and click the Level button again. Type in a name for this level and enter the base height. The base height of the first floor level should be equal to the height of the ground floor level, which is 2,625 mm in this case. Enter the height of the first floor walls into the level height box. For this building, that's 2,400 mm. Finally, set the level number to 2, assuming that your ground floor is level 1. Then click OK. Now click to place the point of reference. Remember, you need to select the same point all the way through the building. Then click to place the opposite corners of the box to define the boundaries of the level. Now if we take a look at the 3D model, we'll see that the floors have been stacked on top of each other. If you create any elevation views, the floors will be drawn correctly on top of each other. So that's how you create levels in BuildingWorks. Over to you. Click the Levels button on the Views and 3D tab. Give the level a name, then set the base height and level height, which is equal to the external wall height. Set the level number, usually it's 1 for the ground floor, 2 for the first floor, and so on. Then set the point of reference. This should be in exactly the same position on each level to ensure the floors stack properly. Finally, click twice to draw the boundary box to define the level. Once your levels are in place, you can view your 3D model and create elevation views.